In today's digital age, businesses of all sizes are turning to the internet to promote their products and services. But with so many channels to choose from, getting started with digital marketing can be overwhelming. That's why we've put together this guide to help you navigate the world of digital marketing and take your business to the next level. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, please. The first step in any marketing campaign is to define your target audience. This means identifying the demographics of the people you want to reach, such as their age, gender, income, location, and interests. Understanding your target audience will help you tailor your marketing efforts to their specific needs and preferences. Once you've defined your target audience, the next step is to set your goals. What do you want to achieve with your digital marketing campaign? Do you want to increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, or generate leads? Setting clear, measurable goals will help you track your progress and determine the success of your campaign. Creating a content marketing strategy is another important step. Content marketing is the process of creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and engage your target audience. A strong content marketing strategy will help you establish your brand as an authority in your industry, attract new customers, and build long-term relationships with existing ones. Utilizing SEO is also crucial for your digital marketing campaign. SEO is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. This is important because the higher your website ranks, the more visibility it will have and the more traffic it will receive. Social media is a powerful tool for building relationships with your customers and promoting your brand. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn are all great places to share your content, engage with your audience, and build your brand's reputation. Be sure to post regularly and actively engage with your followers to build a community around your brand. Investing in paid advertising is also a great way to drive immediate results. Platforms like Google AdWords, Facebook ads, and Instagram ads allow you to target specific demographics, locations, and interests. This means that you can reach your target audience with highly relevant ads, at the right time, and in the right place. The final step in any digital marketing campaign is to analyze and optimize your efforts. You can also streamline your digital marketing efforts by using artificial intelligence. Click the link in the description to see the latest in building your business.